We got one little piglet out that I let him out earlier, but she just don't want to go back in. Let's see if we can get her in. Got some feed. Let's see if she'll eat it right here. Let's see if she'll follow it. She's following. She keep turning around. Let's see how we will get little Carmela back to where she's supposed to be. She's being free right now. Carmela does not want to go back to where she's supposed to stay. She's just out here doing her thing. She seems to want to get in this pen with these two, especially him. She keeps smelling him. Keeps smelling each other. You gotta go back to your house, Carmela. You gotta go back to your house. She's just roaming around, wanting to break in there. All the rest of them went back in already. If she don't go in tonight, she'll definitely go in there tomorrow. She still ain't trying to go in back around where she's supposed to be. This is little Carmela. She about 4 months old, give or take. But let her out with her brothers and sisters earlier today, and she the only one who ain't going back in there. But it's fine. She can stay out. She doing her job. She eating up those pine needles, some green stuff, organic, natural. So even if she don't go back in tonight, we'll get her back in there tomorrow. It's always another day. She just hanging out around here with these other pigs. So she comfortable. She good.